You got it. Oh, she was on you. Yeah. Wow. Good. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Unfortunately, that's the way. It's better than it used to be, but it's definitely still biased. There's no doubt about that. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Wow. So I just saw like 4 accidents in like a quarter mile on Bloomingdale. That's awesome. Oh, and another one might have just happened with a trailer truck. Yeah, he was loaded. It's going the other way, thank God, but he was loaded, and all I saw was smoke because he had the trailer brakes locked up. Yeah, oh yeah. Nice. I actually like that idea. Oh, there's another accident. Holy shit. Holy fuck.